Hello everybody, today we'll see discrete structures and optimization. In the last video we have completed TOC, that is theory of computation. We have solved 5 problems, simple problems. So now we will see discrete structures and optimization. We'll start the first problem. This which of the following is not logically equivalent. So we have given 4 options. So we have to check each and every one. They are given two values like P tends to R and Q tends to R, and P or Q tends to R. So we have to check the whether both are logically equivalent. So let us do the first sum. So this is the first option. Then here P tends to R and Q tends to R. Okay, we'll try to solve them. See, P tends to R means can write the formula that's not P or R, and Q tends to R means not Q or R. So not P or R means, and then we can write it in. If we cannot further do any simplification, we write it up the form P bar. Okay, P bar plus R, and we can write into Q bar plus R. So multiply it. So P bar Q bar plus R into Q bar plus R into P bar plus R into R. So R into R is what? R into R is R only. So P bar Q bar plus R Q bar plus R P bar plus R. Now we can connect R and R Q bar and R. So if we combine both, we get R into Q bar plus 1 plus R P bar. Here also you can take P bar common between these two, that is between the first and second. So here what is the common? P bar is common. Q bar plus R plus R into Q bar plus 1. Q bar plus 1 is what? Anything plus 1 will be 1 only. So R into 1. So the value is P bar Q bar plus P bar R plus R. So you would take R common. So P bar Q bar plus R into P bar plus 1. So it means P bar Q bar plus R. So this is the value. P bar plus 1 is 1. So this is the value of the left hand side. Okay, P bar, P tends to R. Now we can check the right hand side. Now P or Q tends to R. So what will be this value? Not of P or Q or R. So apply De Morgan's law. So not P and not Q or R. Now write it out this form like P bar plus Q bar. So it is P bar into Q bar. So and no. So P bar into Q bar plus R. So it is P bar Q bar plus R. So you find that P bar Q bar plus R. Here also P bar Q bar plus R. So this is one is logically equivalent. So this is logically equivalent. So next B. So next P double implies Q and not P double implies not Q. So we'll check first the left hand side. See, P tends to Q and means P tends to Q and Q tends to P. This is the mention of this double implies. Double implies means P tends to Q and Q tends to P. Next we have to apply the formula. So not P or Q and not Q or P. Okay. Now convert the form. Yes, P bar plus Q bar into Q bar plus P. So multiply it. P bar Q bar plus q into q bar plus p into p bar plus q into plus q bar into p, that is p into q bar. So here p bar q bar plus what is this q only, so not p or q, so not p plus q. So q into q bar, so what is the value of q into q bar? Q into q bar will be 0, right? So this is 0. Then what will be p into p bar, that is it will be also be 0. Now here last one is p and q, so it's not p bar, it's pq, so pq. So the value is pq plus p bar q bar. Okay, this is the answer, pq plus p bar q bar. Now we'll come to the right hand side. So not p, so not p tends to not q and not q tends to not p. Here now apply the formula, not of not p or not q and not of not q or not p. Okay, so the value will be not of not p will be p or not q and q or not p. So write it of the form p plus q bar into q plus p bar. So multiply it, so we'll get pq plus q into q bar plus p bar into p and p bar q bar. Same way this all the pq into q bar will be 0 and p into p bar will be 0. So again the value will be pq plus p bar q bar is again the equivalent to this value. This value is the same, no? Pq and plus p bar q bar. This is also pq plus q bar q bar. Hence this is also logically equivalent. First is also logically equivalent. Now we'll see the third one. So third one is written here. So let us take the left hand side. So p and q, so it's already in the reduced form only, so you can just write it in this form. P and q is p into q plus or plus not p, so p bar and q bar, so p bar q bar. So this is the value. Right hand side, p double implies q, so p tends to q and q tends to p. So this value already we have found out in the previous also. Okay, let's see, not p or q and not q or p. So this is p bar plus q into q bar plus p, which is p bar q bar plus q into q bar plus p into p bar plus pq. So these are the values will be 0. So pq plus p bar q bar, which is same as this one. Hence C also is pq plus p bar q bar is equal to this pq plus p bar q bar. So this is also logically equivalent. Now let's the last one. Last one, take the left hand side. So p and q. So p and q tends to R means not of p and q or R. So not of p and q means not p or not q or R. So what is this value? P bar plus q bar plus R. So this is the left hand side value. So what is the right hand side value? So p tends to R, so it will be not p or R, and q tends to R means not q or R. So here p bar plus R into q bar plus R. So multiply it, will get p bar q bar plus R into q bar plus R into p bar plus r into r. So r into r will be what? R into r is r only. It will be p bar q bar plus r into q bar plus r. So r into r is r plus r into p bar. So here we can take as r into q bar plus 1. So r is taken common here. Then r into p bar. This value becomes p bar q bar plus r. So r plus r p bar. Hence this is p bar q bar plus r into, can take r common, so 1 plus p bar. So again it will be 1. So p bar q bar plus r. So this is the value of the right hand side. So here left hand side you have p bar plus q bar plus r. Here you have p bar q bar plus r. So this is not logically equivalent. Hence this is not logically equivalent. So the last one is not logically equivalent. So thank you. We'll do the second sum in next video. Okay.